Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked whether a function is given by a table of values, a graph, a formula, or a verbal description. Determine whether it is one-to-one. So here we have the function f of x is equal to x to the fourth minus 16. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph this function in the xy plane. First, we're going to draw an intermediate graph, right? We're going to draw the graph of the function f of x is equal to x to the fourth. And we just have to get the general shape of it, right? It looks a little bit like a parabola. And we're going to shift it down 16 units. So instead of starting at the origin, we start at 0, negative 16. And then drawing it in pencil, because it's the actual final function, we can see that it looks a little bit something like this. Right, we go, as we learned in previous sections, you go from the graph of the original function that you're familiar with, y equals x to the fourth, and you apply the transformations, right? Which here means we have to go down 16 units because we're subtracting 16. Now, to determine whether this function is one-to-one, we have to apply the horizontal line test. So how do we do that? Well, for any horizontal line that we put through the function, it can only intersect it once. And we can see that that's not true. For example, you don't even have to draw a line. If we look at the x-axis, which is a horizontal line that goes through the function, we can see that it has two intersection points. Therefore, there is for the same y value, there are two different x values. Therefore, no, this function is not one-to-one.